This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday.
Just chillin' with the boys, getting a couple of haze. Little chicka, oh yeah, it's really a game.
This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday.
It's okay, it's a Saturday. We can handle it in any kind of way. Call my LSA homies, this is how we stay in love. I ain't even tripping about the purple. We got them all day. You can get on that MySpace and see it for yourself. A homie like me is bad for your health. And this is just a couple little things that I do just to get through them bad days. Smoking a few and pound a couple. Matter of fact, I could get a barbecue going on a Saturday. Watch you see your lay boons doing blazes while I'm cruising in control of the game. You ain't gotta trip about my boys, cause we cool like that, man. Remember in the club back in 06, smoking on the end of this shit. It's the day after Friday, got more to split, and I ain't gonna quit, still got a whole day ahead of me. So what you wanna do, cause I'm down with you. We can roll around town, riding so clean, sitting on 22s. You can call it what you want to, but I'm feeling you, cashing in my black chips. Can I get a half that? Then I got you covered on the gas. Now that you up to date in my tank, you better let this shit blast, blast, blast. Pass that blunt, pass that blunt, pass that blunt.
This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday.
If you like this, just want you following me. Saturday afternoon, on my way to kick it, laughing to myself, cause I smell it already. Time to let loose, lay it on the track. LSA going deep, ready to make contact. Cause time to time, we do it with these rhymes. I know you don't mind spending quality time. You know damn well Sunday come around, we don't obtain a split. It's how it goes down. This is how we do on a Saturday. I'ma tell you once and I'ma say it again. Straight from the old school, been telling you fools up in the 7-6 studio. This is how we flow, how we accept it, and I'm all ready to roll. Put it in the right direction, westbound, test now, and hit the streets up. Saturday afternoon, call your peeps up. We go post till we get old.
Saturday, Saturday, take all your pain away. Yeah, we here to play.
This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday.
Cruising through the blocks, ain't fit from last night. Eyes low, heart light, everything feel right. Buzz in the whip, LSA on the way. Windows down, let the buzz beat play. No plans, just vibes, and the sun in control. Feeling blessed by the west, let the good times roll. Got a blunt half lit, got the weekend glow. Phone on silent, moving extra slow. Ain't no drama in the air, just fam and trees. Got love for the block and a pocket of peace. From the stoop to the stoop, we just coast all day. It's a Saturday thing in the 7-6 studio.
This is how we do it on a Saturday. This is how we do it on a Saturday.